Guys, so we were able to run the wire through the bed hole that's located right here on the left hand side, and it comes through your tail light. You do need to take off the tail light. I recommend unbolting these three, so these bottom two and then this top one, tail light pops off and you're able to run the wire through, no problem. And you can sort of see it here. You go over the frame, follow the factory harness always, go up and over the gas tank, and you'll end up on the other side. Now once you get here, I recommend removing this plastic trim piece and then the one that covers your fuse box here. Your carpet's easily liftable, so what you're going to want to do is find your hole plug here, run some type of wire, clothes hanger, anything you need, and once you run it through, it'll come down here, and then just use some electrical tape to wire them together, and then that way once you pull up, both wires go through. And this is just an example of over the frame, over the gas tank. You still need to clean it up, but this is the way you want to run it. Okay, guys, so the grommet that you remove from the floorboard, go ahead and cut a hole through it, run your wire through it, that way it looks a lot cleaner. Afterwards, we're going to want to silicone this just to make sure no water comes through. Even though it's in a safe place, always prevent water from coming through.